What inspired me to bring the Jamaican Patty to London town was to sell Jamaican food to the world.
What makes a good patty?
What makes a good patty? That's a good question.
So you tell me what makes a good patty.
What makes
you
a
sound
good
like an
patty?
expert over here. London patty expert.
The best way to put it is the filling.
When you buy a patty right, you want the meat, not the crust.
Good quality meat, good quality pastry.
If the pastry's like too dry or it's just too flaky, then I don't like it.
The meat inside of it, as long as it's like full, tasty.
Yeah, you can't get like the air pocket.
There's a lot of elements to a perfect patty.
When I was in Battersea with my father and he made a beef patty, we had the beef. We eat the beef, we could see the beef because it wasn't about skimping and making a paste. So my patty is definitely my father's recipe. Traditionally, that's how they did it in Jamaica.
I came to England in 1965 when my grandmother sent me to England to join my parents who I've never seen before in my life. When I came to Battersea, I cried so much. My parents said, don't worry, I'm going to send you back. They never bloody sent me back. My childhood in Jamaica was organic. I loved everything about it. Everybody will say that it's underdeveloped, but it was organic and good foundation for me. I lived on patty, and I eat them any time of the day, so I love Jamaican patties. And part of my ambition was to create something similar to the patties that my father used to make in Battersea. I couldn't be doing this Jamaican brand and not giving it the full quality I think it deserved. And I couldn't be flying that flag, calling myself Jamaica Patty Co. And that's why I was trying to make sure my patty was full of meat and a nice pastry. That's exactly how my dad used to make it in Battersea.
With our patties, we have very hard workers that put time and effort into making them. We take pride in our patties. We make sure that it's to our high standard because it's our reputation. The authenticity of our patties is very different to a frozen patty that you could just get anywhere. With our patties, like, you know, when you bite into it, like, you can just really taste everything in it, and like, it really fills you up as well.
So just one chicken patty, anything else?
Yes, that's all, thank you.
The feedback from customers I have about the patties is the best patty they had in London, and they even say that it's better than the patties in Jamaica as well. That's how good they are.
The difference between our patties and other patties is that we cook our patties with love.
So I've noticed that your patties are a little bit more expensive.
Yeah, it might be a little bit more, yes, because I wasn't going to compromise on the quality of meat. It's like a beef burger. You get cheap beef burger and you get quality beef burger. And my one is the quality patty.
Premium.
I live just on the road, and for me, I'm fortunate that I have this shop just on the corner. Simply the best patty in the world.
Carnival last year, me and my best friend, the day after Carnival, we was like, we want to go get good patties. And we was told about this place. And since then, I've got patties like every month, at least.
So for someone who've never tried a Jamaican patty, which one would you recommend for them to maybe try?
The spicy beef, curry goat, jerk chicken, ackee and saltfish, vegetable, the whole lot.
My favourite patty is ackee and saltfish patty. Ackee and saltfish is a traditional dish of Jamaica.
This curry goat one specifically from this place.
Okay.
It's my favourite,
Really
hands down, yeah. This is like the third time I've had it.
Wow.
In 2 months.
Okay.
Yeah, so.
I mean, damn. I'm so hungry hearing you talk about this right now.
Sorry. The thing is, you pick it up and it just feels nice. Third, fourth bite, what are you thinking?
It's good. It's real good. It's like got a lot of flavor.
Do you know what I like about it? It's got like a lot of filling in it. Like it's not stingy.
Yeah. That's the thing, it's filled. It's not got like a massive air pocket of like, where's the food gone? It's naughty.
It's crazy. It's my third day having jerk chicken here.
The Jamaican patties are the children of the Cornish pasty. And of course the sailors brought it to Jamaica. And when they brought their Cornish pasty there, of course, we Jamaicans turned them into patties and made it taste so much better.
Patty is to Jamaica like beef burgers to America. And it's our culture, we can't give it up. When people visit Jamaica Patty Co, I want to educate them about Jamaican culture because apart from patties, I am promoting the music, the arts, everything Jamaican.
The arts is something I realised later in life, what a great art community we have. People don't always see us. They see us for everything, the dancing, the music, the sport. So the book, the Jamaican Making Exhibition, has been a tremendous success, which is so important. But this book has been bought so far by 944 libraries throughout the world. It's gone viral. The Prime Minister, Andrew Holness, were the forward, and of course Bruce Golding, the former Prime Minister, opened the exhibition. This book has done a lot for Jamaican art. It just shows what quality artists we've got and how it's important for us to recognise and support it.
Working in a Jamaican-owned business, there's two benefits. One, I already have knowledge, and two, I can gain even more knowledge. So there will be stuff I didn't even know about my culture before, and I've learned about it.
My experience here has been amazing, as I've been seeing different people from different cultures coming in here to try Jamaican food. Me growing up, I didn't really get to see all of that.
We're promoting our culture. It's nice to see people who are curious about the patties, who's never tried it before.
I want to go where they've never seen us before. We need to sell our food to the world, not only to our communities. And it's so good for all the international people coming who pass by and say to me, oh, we never had Jamaican food before. Could you tell us about it? A lot of excitement about telling people about our food and our culture. Sometimes I probably talk too much, but that's my passion for my country.
Tell us about some of the more famous patrons that you've had step through the doors of your patty shop.
One of the most famous ones that came, phoned up book, and I had no idea who it was Ludacris. Even when he came through the door with his family, beautiful family, and went downstairs to sit down to eat, I still didn't know. And it was when everybody coming in my shop going downstairs, excuse me, where are you going? And they said, Ludacris is downstairs. I said, who's Ludacris? Then I phoned up my grandson, and then he said, Nan, get a picture with him. My second favourite is Big Baby Miller.
Jamaican patty culturally means togetherness. There's like a strong bond of food in Jamaica just in general. But I love seeing it. I mean, I'm from Jamaica. Whenever I have a good patty, it just reminds me of being home.
These are the best patties in London, and if you haven't tried one, then I don't know what to tell you, but you're missing out.
The future for Jamaica Patty Co is expansion, expansion, expansion. And expansion.
I've never spoken so much about patties before.
Not to a stranger. Now we know a lot about each other. We should get a drink, you know?